Come on, put the hands up in the air. Just kidding. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening. The shorts have been covered. Luna Classic to the moon. Professor, you're an absolute joke. You know that? To where? To the moon. Um, as soon as we came on, Luna had a nice fat green candle. So Luna likes us being here. Um, Look at Luna, guys. Look at the last 24 hours. There's barely anything else green on the list, and Luna's like, "Hey guys, Luna Classic, at least." What do you mean? Just kidding. I took my clothes off. Took my clothes off, ready to thrust. Virus, you are criminal. Edwin, good to see you. Ian, good evening. Gary, much love. Professor, nothing to say to you, honestly. Nasreen, good evening. Michelle, lovely to see you. Come on, Michelle. Michelle's ready to thrust the Luna Classic, so let's do it. Um, Ado, James, good evening, guys. Jacob, hi. Meets you, hello. Good evening, guys. Hi. Sean, hi, Sean. Anyways, but yeah, Luna Classic. Doing really well. Well, take a look at Bitcoin and anything else you guys want to take a look at. More like a hangout and chill and a fun night. You know, nothing serious. Louis, hey yo, you're bubbling, Gary. Why? Why are you bubbling? Are you holding some puts? Gary says I'm bubbling. Bubbling. Where's my Oi. Why Luna Classic to UST? Because it's climbing a bit faster, seems like. Then swap it back. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I'll take a look at UST as well. UST and everything else. I got stung by a yellow jacket while driving. Gary, sorry. Gary says I'm mad. I got stung by a yellow jacket while driving. Oh no, Gary. Anyways, just quickly, just getting ready because I don't feel like I'm ready yet. And I'm still catching up. Still catching up. I took a nap, then hey yo, Roberts, hey yo, and the rest is a history. Boy, I wish I added to that short position. Unbelievable. Anyways, um, get more tips when I put my clothes back on. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Jacob. Sounds good. Don't worry, the thrusting hasn't even started yet. I don't know why you guys, I don't know why you. Let me take a look at the daily chart here for Luna Classic, guys, and then I'll take a look at Luna 2.0, and then I'll take a look at Bitcoin and then UST and whatnot. Um, so we kind of talked about this. So this is the daily, right? This is the daily chart for Luna here, Luna Classic. I just keep calling it Luna. I know there's a difference now, but I just keep calling it Luna because this is the OG Luna, you know? So I'm stuck calling it Luna. Anyways, so it's been running for the last few days now. Again, negative thrust. Your split 7-730. Oh wow, nice. Nice, Edwin. Yeah, we talked about this was it yesterday or the day before? You know? I mean like UST was pumping, right? It was only a matter of time before Luna Classic followed, right? So I think as soon as Luna UST started pumping, um, there was a lot of speculation that Binance was buying. Like it's a whole theory on on Twitter, and there's a whole tracking of the wallets and whatnot, and it's fun to watch. Um, I just think it's nice to play momentum, honestly, right? It's nice to go along and short it, blah 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 blah, and then see what happens in the end. Um, Yeah, I don't play too much with the theories when it comes to these things because these exchanges are not like openly admitting to like buying to burn. Like Binance isn't saying anything. We can clearly see the wallets and blah blah blah, but I just don't like to get too much into the if it's not like openly being admitted here. So, anyways, Luna Classic's been popping here, right? Because the speculation of buy and burn, so burning going on. So that's cool, right? In terms of technicals here, we're kind of struggling to get above 16.5. So again, this is the daily. It's been running for the last 4 days now, so that's exciting again. So we had a nice sell off for Luna Classic, right? Nice sell off, and then a period of like just slow curling, right? You need to clean up your image. Gary, sorry. So again, this is the daily chart. And right again, sell off, and then a whole lot of consolidation. You notice how we play with the 9-day moving average and eventually broke about that line and exploded to the upside, right? So that's fun. If you bought Luna at like 6 cents, well, not 6 cents, you know what I mean, right? So all the zeros and six, right, you're really happy, right? Because we actually broke above right there and exploded to the upside, right? So that's fun. So it's almost like a story. And then you go over to like the 4 hour chart here now. Almost kind of breaking out on the 4 hour chart here for Luna, right? Above that 15.5 level, we're trying to, right? So there's a whole bunch of resistance at that spot there. So we're trying to break above that on the 4 hour. Almost don't like the 4 hour for Luna here because it's not clean enough. I think you get a better image here when you look at the hourly, right? So you can kind of see that double top and what we're trying to break above, right? So if Luna can find a way to, like truly escape this level here at 15 15.5 15.7, whatever level that is, right? So I'm going to have to zoom in and put a line across so you can kind of see what I'm looking at, right? So if I do a line, at that previous double top, so the highs of both candles here, right? Like that doesn't quite align, does it? Yeah, it's more of a guessing game now, but anyway, so if we can kind of like find a base above that little spot there and start curling to the upside, I think that's beautiful. What I'm really paying attention to here for Luna to see what done or not done would be that same line, right? So if we can find a way to create a high low on the hourly time frame, I think we're ready for another run to the upside, right? So you notice on the hourly candles we have a high, a lower high, and then we're forming another lower high here. That's a little bit of a concern, right? So if we can find a way to break above and start breaking above these highs here, then we're ready to clear 20. That's where the next run comes in. If we break below like this blue line here, the 9-day moving average, we're potentially selling off again to the 10 level, right? For Luna, potentially, right? Sell off. Oh, you know what's fun? So as I'm playing around here on the bigger time frame, as I'm playing around on the bigger time frames, on the other screen, Luna is so when I play around like on the bigger time frame, watch the random line show up, right? So like as I play around there, you're gonna see like random lines just show up here, which is fun. Kinda. Look at that, right? That's cool. I like how it gets updated right away on the smaller time frames. You want to see what I did on the bigger time frames for that to happen? I did that. I don't know. I'm sorry. Anyways, so I was wondering what was going on. I'm like, what's going on the other screen there? Why am I getting all these lines? Why are we getting all this funny business? It's because of like all the rubbish I'm doing over there. Virus. I was confused for a second. Like, what's going on? Why am I getting circles or lines? Where are they coming from? I don't know. It's because I was doing some stupid stuff over there. Anyways, if it breaks the 20, it will straight to a dollar. So after it breaks the 20, straight to a dollar, straight to the moon. Professor, straight to the moon. You're allowed to say when Lambo. You're allowed to say when Lambo as soon as that happens. Anyways, you can see here though on the smaller time frame, Luna is selling off, right? I'm just trying to see where that hourly 9 EMA is sitting at. Now I need to kind of clean up some of these lines on here because that's making it a little bit messy. Yeah, just around 15 there. Yeah. We need to, on the hourly candle here, we need to find a way to stay above that 15 level. Otherwise, we might start selling off again. What's your price prediction for this bull run for Luna or for Luna? Price prediction, honestly, there isn't one. Second cup, there isn't one. Is second cup like what do you call yourself? Second cup, like a second cup as like you have a retail chain? Second cup. Hey yo, Aaron, I'm still at work. Sneaking in. You're still at work? Okay, sounds good. Tell them. Hold up. It's time to go home. On the case with BTC, the money's like trades gives reality to what is going down, Gary. Yeah, it really does. really does. Anyways, as much as we're selling off on the smaller time frame here, guys, we know we have support on the hourly here around this spot, right? So around this level here, I might just put a little circle, like around here, right? Like right around this level here. So hopefully we can hold that. If we can close above that on the hourly, we have a chance of eventually recovering back to the upside, right? So yeah, Luna needs to hold there, needs to. So I'm gonna leave up Luna on that screen, and then back over here with all the mess. I want to take a look at Bitcoin, BTC, because BTC looks like absolute doo doo. Bitcoin looks like doo doo. Anyways, now is a good time though, honestly, to take a look at some of these whale transactions now and see what's going on. Because we're selling off, obviously. What does it look like on a hot a review? I see some funny emails, and then Michelle, I see your email, and then I see. I'm gonna discuss it. No, 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 799. Okay, yeah, 799. Anyways, let me get that link here. When I checked that email, I'm like, who's that? That email, I haven't responded to that. Anyways, you can see how Luna's bouncing off that little spot, right? You're like, oh my goodness. On the 1 minute, that's such a random level to bounce at. No, it's because on the daily on the hourly time frame, right? That's exactly where that 9-day EMA is sitting at, and we need to hold that level. Like we need to bounce off this level here to maintain it. It's a circle flip on its side. Yeah. Um. So let me pull this up here because I like Bitcoin is selling up there, so I'd really like to see what the chain looks like here. I just like to see it, right? So it's actually funny because we're getting some buy signal, we're getting some buy orders now, but I like to see when we break below $20,000, what what these massive blocks look like here on the to the downside. You know what I mean? So yeah, because again, like Bitcoin's below $20,000 here. Um, we keep bouncing off this level. Question for you guys in the chat though. Kind of like I kind of know where most of you guys stand when it comes to Bitcoin. Again, we're gonna go back to Luna Classic and everything else and Shiba. Um, but just a yes or no in the chat. Do you guys think we're going lower for Bitcoin or yes or no? Just let me know. Are we going lower for Bitcoin? Yes or no? How long do you think this bull run will last? It's a bull run for what? For Luna? I think I'm repeating my question here. For Luna? Okay. How long do I think it's gonna last? Well, I mean, like, there's not a timeline on any of these things, right? So it's more of what's happening now, what's happening now, what's happening now, what's happening now, type of thing, right? We just talked about how in the hourly time frame, we need to kind of find a base above this 15 level and rally, right? So it's stuff like that. Not exactly like, oh, bull run, how long? You can talk about bull run like length when it comes to Bitcoin and yeah, Bitcoin, crypto in general. Uh, but for a specific coin, we don't know, right? So again, will Bitcoin go lower? Virus says yes. Michelle says no, 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 no. Iron says yes. Virus says 100. Gary says lower. Patrick says lower. Around to 20k at BTC with Trump. Below penny. Professor. I loaded the board with ETH when it hit 1500. It's lower now, Lewis. Yeah. Right. So yeah. Um, I think we're going lower. I think I've said that. I think we talked about for Bitcoin here, right? I think I've kind of talked about on the. Let me take a look at the 4 hour because it's a little bit more cleaner here. 4 hour, yeah. I'll look at the 4 hour. So you guys know exactly what we talked about, right? So if you take a look at this little chart here now, you can see these little lines here, which is almost like what I'm looking for crypto for Bitcoin, right? It's taking its time to get there, right? So maybe the daily might be a little bit clearer here, actually. Yeah, that's the daily. Okay, maybe I want the 4 hour then, right? So I've kind of talked about like what my expectations are here for Bitcoin, for crypto in general, right? So this is the 4 hour. What I'm looking for here is for this thing to double top fail at 21.6, which it is. It's failing at that level, right? It's not coming back down aggressively as I want though. I want it to just aggressively like sell off to the abyss, right to 17.5, right? Double bottom and then rebound. It's taking its time. It's like on a on a stroll. It's going around the damn corner. It's taking its time all the way there, all the way there. Let it bounce there, all the way to 20. Let it bounce there. No, damn it. Just crash to the damn bottom here already. What are you doing? Damn. Um, 22 was the average, Gary? 22. 22. To the ground, please. You know what I mean? Like, cool. We're going in the right direction. That's fine. But damn, get there quicker. None of these games. We're tired of these games. We're gonna come back to Bitcoin again. Luna, right? We talked about how Luna needs to bounce up this 15 level. See 15? Yep, right. Luna Classic needs to bounce up this level because that's an important level on the daily. So yeah, we need to get bouncing here, please and thank you. Bounce it, bounce it. I'm about to throw a couple of thousand, fives, tens, fifties, 100s. I'm just kidding. Anyways, yeah. So I'm sure the S&P's has a part to play in this, while the market obviously does, Gary. Right? If the market sold off aggressively, Bitcoin would be gone to the abyss as well. Right? But yeah, no, it's taking its time. Even though again, expectation is all the way back down here, right? And if we break below that level, okay, cool. Well, I guess we're looking for new bottoms, right? If we bounce up this level and get back above 20, we found the bottom for crypto, right? Um, it's taking its time. Taking its time. From my neighbor. In our trash? Confident? Coincidence? Is it a sign? Is it a sign? Michelle says, I just got a text from my neighbor. There was a bear in our trash. Is it a coincidence? Is it a sign? It's a sign, Michelle. The bear market is here. The bear market is here. Let's see. La. Do you have one of those charts for ETH? I'll take a look, Lewis. I'll take a look. Right. So yeah. Is there anything else we can see here, guys? Anything else? No. I think this is what we talked about last weekend, right? I feel like we've talked about this for the last 2 weeks now, because this thing has just been taking its damn time, right? So yeah, double top. We talked about how if we could find a way to break above 21.6, we were ready for a rally, right? Rally to 22, rally to $26,000, but nope. Bitcoin kept failing and failing. So 20K now is the real test and fail. We're sitting below $20,000 here. If we start aggressively failing from that level, we could get to 17 fine very quickly, right? So I think it's these majors. Something's I don't know what it is, but there's something in there. Something in there. Yeah, it's really annoying. Boy. Anyways, back to Luna Classic here. What are we doing? We're bouncing, guys. Hey yo, we're bouncing. So again, we need to bounce off that level, right? For Luna Classic here, right? So hashtag Circle Gang. Let's go. Nothing wrong with the market or crypto. Just ask Robert. Nothing wrong. Yeah. I mean, these guys never seem to think there's anything wrong with the market. Yeah, virus. Something in there. Like I don't know what it is, but. Oy. Anyways, I sent you is very appropriate right now. Luna cartoon. Actually, yes. I haven't uploaded it to the stream yet. Jason, I'm gonna need to. So again, that's Bitcoin, guys. Save that. Make sure it's saved. Are we saved? Yeah, we're saved. Let me take a look at ETH. And then game on. Yeah, so we have CPI data on the 13, Gary. So that's gonna be very telling leading into the 26 for the Fed meeting, right? 26, 27, something like that, right? So last time when we had negative data from the Fed, a week before the Fed meeting, we basically sold off into the Fed meeting, right? So tiny, hey, I see it, right, Gary? So if CPI data comes out this time and it's weak, We're going to zero. Can I put that in a nice way? We're going to zero, guys. If we get CPI data on the 13th of July, and it's weak. You guys know what happened last time we had when we had bad Fed data, CPI data, because the market is basically saying, okay, cool. So Fed, Mr. Fed, thank you very much. But whatever you're doing isn't working. So we expect you to be aggressive, even more aggressive, right? So what's going to happen is we're going to just sell off straight into the Fed meeting, right? So, and then the Fed is going to have to do something more aggressive to keep up, right? So you don't want to, yeah. So July is a really important month because we need to bounce. We need to bounce, please and thank you. Anyway, so back over here to the screen as we take a look at ETH. ETH looks very ETH. I think ETH performing. Is that the 4 hour? Yeah, that's the 4 hour. So Lewis, ETH performed a little bit better here. In terms of like the upside, and but that's almost like every other altcoin though, right? Every other altcoin have outperformed Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin sells off here, everything will sell off more than Bitcoin, and that's just how it works anyways. When these things rally, right, more than Bitcoin does, they're gonna sell off even more than Bitcoin does if it does sell off, right? So ETH, I mean, if Bitcoin is selling off to 17.5, you'd almost expect that thing to sell off again to below 1,000, right? So uh, below 1,000. Back to $900 here basically. So I want to see what the daily looks like because ETH looks a little bit different actually. Yeah, because ETH is just basically stepping the 20-day moving average there, Lewis. Right, I mean, like go back all the way to $3,000. $3,000, ETH broke below the 20-day moving average at $3,000, $228, and that thing hasn't looked back. Like that thing has not looked bad, right? We broke below that 20 right there, and it's just been failing every time we rally. We fail at the 20-day moving average. Like right there, fail. Right here, fail. Right there, fail. Right, all the way down. Right, like every rally ETH has had, it's been a fail at the 20-day moving average. It's been the story for ETH has been a little bit clearer here, right? So, and right there, that last little rally here, the last few days, failed at the 20 as well. So, yeah, you could potentially see $900 again if Bitcoin, if Bitcoin holds above 1750, right? So, if not, well, $500 here we come. Because I think that's what a lot of people are looking for, anyways. They're looking for like Bitcoin to 15, 12, ETH to $500. Is what they're calling for, right? So, anyways, ETH is gonna rally eventually, like one of these longer term bull runs, Lewis. Whenever we can find a way to break above. So basically, yeah, down, 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 yeah, right. So we're clearly failing at one specific moving average, right? So to a way down we go. It's easy when you have like it's almost easy when you have like one specific level to watch for ETH. And so ETH has been a little bit easier here to predict. We're gonna test the 20 and fail, test the 20 and fail, and the downtrend will continue unless we find a way to break above the 20 there. So yeah, if we can eventually break above that 20-day moving average, which is currently sitting at like just below like 1250. Okay, cool. We're ready for a rally, but it just looks like we're going to the abyss, right? Um, Isn't it? Did they push the ADA back? Why, Jacob? I'm not sure. Not sure. For that bad, Larry, you're going for a UVXY, Gary? Okay, nice. My computer screen until today. Yeah, I never thought I would be flipping my computer screen until today. Yeah, um, honestly, Jason, yeah, it's annoying. I think it's because like you play a little bit with like the more volatile ones. So it makes like it makes this experience more aggressive for you. But I'm just like shorting the I'm just shorting the other ones. So I think Matic, yeah, Matic short is still okay. I think 4078. Yeah, should add it to my Matic short. Then it's anyway. So back to Luna Classic here, guys, and Luna Classic again. So if you're wondering why Luna Classic is holding at that level where the line is, it's because again we looked at Luna C here, right? And we looked at what we looked at. I need to take a look at UST as well. And then we looked at the hourly chart for Luna, right? And we talked about how, again, when you look at this hourly chart for Luna Classic here, right, what do you see? You can kind of see how we formed a double top there, right, at 15.7, 15.7 double top, right, and we're struggling to really hold above that level. That's why that white line is right there. Also, you go back though on the hourly. Luna's done an okay job with riding that blue line, right? So if this momentum is going to continue, Luna's going to need to hold that 15 level, and that's exactly where that blue line is, and that's exactly where we sold off to and hit, and we're trying to bounce it now. So that's perfect, right? So, boy, this whatever that is, really annoying, really annoying, unbelievable. Anyway, so that's why Luna is bouncing at that spot there, right? So that 15 level because of the 9 EMA on the hourly chart. So a little bit of support there. And that's why sometimes it's really important to like look at all these time frames, you know, because like if I'm just watching the 1 minute time frame, I have no idea why I have no idea that we could potentially bounce at this level, right? But we do. Uh, just being aware of like all the time frames and like where support is at, resistance is at, and blah blah blah. So yeah. I know a lot of you guys are holding Luna Classic. So yeah, let me take a look at UST here. USTC looks very similar. So this is the 1 hour for Luna USTC here, right? Same. Right? So USTC's had a nice rally. If you take a look at like the daily chart for Luna, for USTC here, it's been aggressive, hasn't it? Right? It looks very similar to Luna Classic, right? Look at that, sell off, consolidation, and explosion, all because of like burning hype, right? So that thing's done really well. I mean, this thing rallied all the way to 10 cents. Uh, from what? From yeah. I mean, like this thing rallied hard. I mean, that's a penny, guys. I mean, that's below a cent, right? From below a cent, right? 0.0000008, 0.008. Like if you're buying this thing at 0.008 at 1 cent, and this thing rallies to 10 cents, you're celebrating. Like you're celebrating on the beach, taking your clothes off like Varys and thrusting, and running to this corner of the beach and saying what? And thrust to the other corner of the beach, and what? And thrust. That's what you're doing. That's exactly what you're doing. Anyways, it's done really, really well. So yeah, do we keep going? That's the question now, though, right? So, or is it done? You can see here though on the 4 hour that was still kind of like flagging there. There's a little bit of resistance here just below that 10 level, so you want to be careful, right? And thrust, Roger, right? So yeah, there's a little bit of resistance here on the 4 hour chart, so I'd be careful there. We take a look at like the hourly, right? You can see how we are holding above the 20-day moving average on the hourly here. So if we break below that level, just below 7 there, we might be going for a sell-off, right? We might be going for a retracement, a nice retracement. So again, be careful, right? So when these things like run up and flag, it can be a good sign. It can also be a sign of okay, it's done, right? So I would be careful. If we break below 7 here, be careful, please. Be careful, because we're going for a sell off potentially, right? Below 7, 7 cents, right? So be careful. Again, Luna Classic's bouncing nicely above that bottom there, 15. Can we get to 17? Can we get to 16, please? Can we get a rally tonight? Please and thank you, Luna. Can you do that for us? You can? Okay, well, let's get to it, please and thank you. Let's get some boom boom candles going here. Oi. Really like to know what's in there. Yeah, it's probably a piece of hair virus. Hmm. It's scaring the rest of your portfolio right now. It is. How amazing is that though? Solana is 32, getting some good discount coins, Robert. Yeah, I mean Solana was 28 cents, 28 dollars last week, right? So 2 weeks ago. So that would have been a really nice discount too. I know a whole bunch of you guys are buying Solana every time it dips below 30. So if you did that, you're happy, happy. Uh, Oi, take na na na. Um, I need to just I just need to like delete. What's that dude doing? Why is he spamming the momentum channel? Oi, I'm gonna. I'm, one second, guys. The night Luna Classic went parabolic. That was the funniest night I've had. The funnest, yeah. Trading. I think you were streaming until 4 a.m. Yeah, Jason. Yeah, no, we had a lot of fun. Honestly, when Luna Classic exploded, yeah, we had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. Hello, Edgar. Anything new and exciting? Uh, I feel like there's always something new and exciting, Edgar. So I never know where to start. Hi, remember me, Munar? Remember you? Your name sounds familiar. Hmm, sounds familiar. So, your name sounds familiar. I don't know what to tell you. Anyways, back to like our favorite, our favorite pastime events here. For as we watch these whale transactions. I almost need to set up a list of names that I want to watch here this evening because we have a lot of time left. So let me know if you have any questions and blah blah blah. I used to say Luna Classic on the way to launch. Luna, all the way, and here we are, Luna Classic. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have no idea where these things are. Okay, all the way up there. Yeah, we rallied. Why is Bitcoin rallying again? I have no idea. Just have a weird feeling that Luna is not gonna dip. Not Luna, Bitcoin, right? No, the way this thing just keeps holding up here, Jason, for some reason. 22 likes, happy now? Yeah, you are, Donna. You are. Donna, it's good to see you. How are you? How are you, Donna? um, good to see ya. Yeah, I don't know. This thing is just the way it's moving. You know, you would almost expect this thing to be at the abyss already. Um, like this thing should be gone already. This $20,000 level is becoming a menace. Just dip and test that level and then bounce. You okay? Okay, good. So, anyways, back to USTC here. Don't really want to watch that though on a 1 hour time frame. This I'm gonna switch that over. That does look very similar to Luna Classic here, doesn't it? Kind of a double bottom at 7 cents. Again, we know there's a reason why we're holding 7 cents, right, guys? Um, well, not just randomly bouncing at 7 cents. It's from that hourly time frame, right? So if I put a line across here, like if I put a line at 7 cents here now, right, like right there, right. So you can see that we're bouncing up this level. When you look at this level in the smaller time frame, like on the 1 minute chart, it just seems like a random level. But then once you switch to the hourly time frame here, right, you get an idea of why we're bouncing up that level, right? So it's because of the 20-day moving average, right? It's the same moving average we've been holding for the last few hours now. That the little old red line, right? So yeah, we need to stay above 7 there if we're going to continue this little rally, right? So again, hold 7 and get back above 9, please and thank you. And that should bring a little bit more excitement, right? So yeah, that's UTC, UTC, USTC, UST, right? So UST. Anyways, yeah, we need to bounce up that level there. Do I want to put up Bitcoin, guys, or just leave up UST? What do I want to watch here? Bitcoin is you're breaking my heart with that rubbish talk. I know, Jason. I know, but I'm like I'm thinking to myself, what's like why are we still above $20,000? Why? Why? You bought a million Terra Classic. Imagine if it goes to a dollar. Donna. Yeah, they'd have to do a lot of work though. A dollar is impossible for now. Uh, I mean, over time, if they keep slowly burning, I need to go back and look at all that stuff again because I know when we stream Luna more aggressively, uh, virus what Luna Classic is bouncing though, right? So that's good. Again, we need to clear 16 here, 16, and then we're ready for 20. That's when the FOMO kicks in. That's when people get excited. It's held so long. Michelle, like you mean below $20,000? Yeah, I just have a weird feeling, right? So again, when I take a look at the technicals here, everything points to down, right? Technicals point to down. Economy points to down. Market points to down. You know what I mean? Like we know we're clearly going down here. We talked about this for 2 weeks now, right? We can hit that level and then sell off, right? It's going around and it's taking a scenic route. Uh, but like honestly, Michelle, what are we looking at for now though? Um, yeah. If we stay below that 9-day moving average, though, Michelle, like all these runs here, these little runs, I think they're fake runs, right? So I think we're having some fake runs here. You know what I mean? So I think we've been closing below the 9-day moving average since like if I go all the way back here to so this is June the 28th. Today's what? Okay, that's the 4 hour. That's why. So since June that's the 4 hour. I'm like, huh. We're supposed to have more candles here. It seems like I'm going back 2 weeks. No, I'm only going back like a day, right? So yeah, I'm like every single rally in the last 24 hours has been failing at the 9-day moving average here, Michelle, right? Since 21-3, right? We've been failing and closing below and below and below and below and below. Has a mission, has a mission. I have a mission, a bare mission. I have a mission to take crypto to zero, Bitcoin to zero. No, like I have a little dilemma too. Like I'm almost expecting a rally tomorrow, like going into the long weekend. So crypto likes to rally into the weekend here, so that's cool. Um, so like in the back of my mind, I'm like, should I close up? Like, should I close my crypto shorts and then just go long? you know, I'm like, no, like this thing looks bearish. But then I'm like, oh no, like this is you have that feeling that we're gonna rally, but no, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it until like my stop loss hits. Oh yeah, I moved my stop loss down anyways into like profit zone. So whatever happens, happens. Then I'll go along. Then I'll go along, and then this thing will crash. Unbelievable. It's gonna dump. Yeah. No, again, like we expect, right? So you guys know exactly what we expect, right? This is what we expect. Right? Double top 2021-6, sell off at the very minimum 17.5. Right? So we're failing here now at that moving average here, right? At the 9. Even though we're getting these rallies, right? We're gonna fail. Right? So we're still failing. We're still failing. So for now, as long as we keep failing at that level, we look very much bearish. Like everything points to bearish, right? So that's completely fine, right? So it's just taking forever, just taking its time. Then you start to second guess. Like, come on. Anyways, Luna Classic bounced really nicely, right? So come on now, let's go, 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 go. Look at the daily for the last 2 weeks. I know, I know. I know, Michelle. I know what you're looking at. I'm gonna go back to Bitcoin and take a look at the daily here for the last 2 weeks. I know exactly what you're looking at. I know exactly what you're looking at here. Um, same story though, Michelle. Same story. Uh, I know exactly what you're looking at. What music is this, please? Um, right. So I know exactly what you're looking at. You're looking at the fact that we've been holding about $20,000 for the last 2 weeks, right? Um, sus hills are bearish. Yeah, right. So you can see here though, Michelle, how we're forming like a T-Rex sign there. I don't know what a T-Rex sign is, but anyways, you can see how like I almost need to clean up these lines here, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is, right? So we rallied and double top right there at 21.6, sold off to $20,000 again and double top at 21.6. right? So obviously we have a problem at 21.6, and here we are at $20,000. Do we rally again to that level? If we close on the daily here, which, so I'm going to delete this. So Michelle, what I'd be looking here for you is, so this daily candle has about another 22 hours in it. Damn it. You know what? Let me switch candles here. Okay, we're still holding, yeah, right. If this daily candle here, which closes in 24 hours and 22 hours and 6 minutes here, like if we close below $20,000 here on the daily, pack your bags, pack your bags, because we're headed to zero, not zero, you know what I mean. But if we close below on the daily, which we haven't done yet since the 19, right? It's been 10 days, right? So if we close below $20,000 here on the daily in the next 22 hours, so when you wake up tomorrow morning, and it won't be 22 hours yet, but if we close below $20,000 here, that confirms it for me that we're going to the bridge. But if for some reason we're rallying above that $20,000 level tomorrow, and we're clearly going to close above that, then that just extends the timeline, right? So which is annoying, which is really annoying. Um, yeah, yeah, Michelle, you have a clear range here to watch, right? $20,000 to 21.6, up and down. So whichever way we break, that should give you a direction in terms of, like, if you're watching Bitcoin again, we don't like to say we're going to this level. So I'm not gonna say that. Well, try not to, right? So just watch like the daily here for now. Wake up. I'm not sleeping tonight. Wake up. I'm not sleeping tonight, Jason says. So man, if we break above that little spot there, Michelle, okay, cool. Well, maybe ready for a rally, right? But if we break below $20,000 and close below that level, then sorry, sorry, right? That's bearish, right? So Bitcoin looks bearish to me. Uh, but then again, yeah, let's see what happens here at $20,000 in the next few hours here. Next 22 hours. I wish we only had like an hour to watch this. Yeah, it looks bearish, right? Um, uh, when to go all in on Luna Classic for some cashing in, Mona? Yeah, you're late to the party, Mona. You're late to the party. Luna's been pumping for like 4 days now, and you're asking when should you go in to cash in for more cashing in? When should you go in? I bet you do. Hey, yo, M Sense, wake up, wake up. Anyway, so yeah, we're in a little bit of a zone thing there, right? So we'll see what happens, guys. And yeah, Luna Classic just hit resistance. Tomorrow. QQQ Kyle prediction for tomorrow. Tomorrow we go at night. I'm just kidding. Um, you want to invest in more? You want to buy. I mean, if you want to buy more, that's up to you, right? So we talked about these levels that we need to hold for Luna Classic. So if we hold those levels, you're still okay, right? Um, I'll take a look again. I know some of you guys are just joining. I'll take a look at Luna Classic again in more detail, but we've kind of talked about what we were looking for. Uh, it does, Roger. Really? 2 hours earlier? Oh, I had no idea. It does. I thought it would like only close 2 hours before when we have a holiday on Friday. So like if we're closing, like if there's a holiday on Friday, we close 2 hours before on Thursday. But then when we have a holiday on Monday, it's like full day. Not gonna say no to that. Not gonna say no. So we can have a packed Friday. What's what's in there is all that will be? No, exactly. Zero or hero, same thing for me, virus. Luna Classic isn't all of a sudden like a good investment. It's never been an investment for me. Um, it's again, like I keep calling it pizza money gambles, smoothie money gambles. Michelle's gonna make fun of me for saying smoothie, but yeah, look at that, guys. Bitcoin is back below $20,000 again, right? So let me switch over to a smaller time frame here. Look at all these sell orders here. Unbelievable. Look at these criminals, guys. Someone sold $1 million worth of Bitcoin, and then someone else sold another million of Bitcoin. Like these guys are causing some massive dumps here, right? 20,000, and someone just bought 1.1 million dollars worth of Bitcoin, and and yeah, 1.1 million dollars worth of Bitcoin. Someone just did smoothie. You know what? You know what? It has to close early on Friday because of the purge. Oh, anyways, because of the purge, unbelievable. Yeah, I always find it fun to watch these things. Yeah, let me switch over to a smaller time frame though, because we're not really seeing. What does the hourly look like again here for Bitcoin? BTC hourly. Yeah, we're just playing games here with that $20,000 level. So we'll see. I'm gonna switch back over to a smaller time frame so we can see these some of these massive sell candles, right? So regular candles, the purge, lunch money, Robert. Yeah, lunch money, right? So money's you're willing to lose. I mean, yeah. Someone doesn't want to below $20,000. Yeah, they're fighting. Look at that. We're about to break above $20,000 again. Look at that. We're at $20,000 again. What are you guys doing? What are these guys doing, guys? I don't know. What are they doing? Just let it go already. Just let it go. Leave it alone. I just wanted to sell off already so we can move on. Because we almost know it's coming. We almost expect Bitcoin to go to the abyss, right? But then these guys keep holding it up. Keep buying. Leave it alone. Just let it go down and then you can buy. Yeah, I feel sorry for that guy though. What's his name? Michael Saylor. He keeps buying. And look at that. We're back above $20,000 again. Hey yo, William. Hey yo, let's go. Let's go. Right? So yeah. Yeah. I mean, so that what's that dude's? Yeah, Michael Saylor bought a whole bunch of Bitcoin at what 2020, 2021 something something. Yeah, that guy almost buys the top every time, and then we sell off, right? William, how are you? They're trying to liquidate me. Oh no, I won't be liquidated. My position will not be liquidated. Um, yeah, I won't be liquidated, Michelle. Thanks to Bitcoin, thanks to crypto selling off, and then giving me a cushion to set a stop loss. So my stop loss is will get me out at green, not even red. So there will be no liquidations happening. Someone just sold $800,000 worth of Bitcoin. $800,000. That's $800,000 right worth of Bitcoin. Look at that, right? And now we're dumping here, right? 142, 800k, right? And 160, 165. That's a lot. Look at these things come in now. Look at them. Look at them come in. These are monies. Those are monies, guys. Just thrust. Just thrust. Those are monies. It's happening like so quickly. So quickly. This is Michelle's accounts. All of those are Michelle accounts. Michelle's other accounts, right? So all of those sell orders that you see how see what happens on the 1 minute. Yeah, we sell off, right? We sell off. Anyways, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and all the fun stuff. Does anyone watch what's that show? One day ago, la, 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 la. Does anyone watch Making Easy Money? Does anyone watch that? Let me know in the chat. Na, 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 na. Join us, virus. Join us and look at that. Bitcoin is right back about $20,000 again. Like you want to see some of these buy orders that are taking it above, right? Look at that. Look at that. This is I'm convinced that these are Michelle accounts. Oh my goodness, someone just bought a I bet you like these things would trigger like more buying, right? Look at that, right? So someone buys $800,000 worth of Bitcoin, someone else buys $1.1 million worth of Bitcoin, and that gives you a boom boom green candle, right? So you do with Ubi, yeah, Roger, yeah. You do, yeah. Okay, nice. Yeah, those guys want to do like a partnership something, Roger. So we'll see. So that should be fun, fun. Anyways, yeah, no, so keeping it below there. Anyways, back to Luna Classic here, guys, because that's what we want to see explode tonight, right? So Luna Classic, go. Yeah, it's trying. So if you have any questions about Luna Classic, let me know and I'll take a look because we've done the technical analysis on that already. So if you have any questions, just ask and I will take a look. And crypto bubbles. Come on now, let's break out here. Anyways, yeah, Luna Classic. Look at that. Top gainer in the last yeah, right, last 24 hours here. Top gainer. I bet you if you look at the last week as well, look at that Luna Classic. Look at that bubble, guys. That's a bully candle. That's a bully bubble. 172%. What do I think about Shiba? I'll take a look at Shiba Donna in a second. Um, yeah, and going. Yeah, right. So look at that bully of a bubble here. How impressive is that? On the world, would anyone buy a BTC right now? I don't know. I think they're just scalping it. They're just scalping it, Jason. These guys don't care. They're just using like these algorithms and they're scalping up and down, right? So I don't know. I think like sometimes indecision makes it really frustrating. You wanna have that thing sell off, anyways. Your thoughts about Luna Classic so far? What's the range you go in Luna Classic, Munar? I'll take a look at Luna Classic in a second again, and then go from there. And then 5 minutes. Yeah, everything is selling off, right? So as Bitcoin plays with $20,000 here, well, crypto's struggled, hasn't it? Crypto's really struggled. Being long crypto this year has been a it's been a roller coaster, to say the least. $1.1 million for the Bitcoin, William. Yeah, I know you did. I know you did. Yeah. A for launch, you traded out. A for launch. Okay. See you. Just a question again, guys. Um, I know almost every single one of you guys is holding Luna Classic, so I just want to see what your expectations are. So just type. Do you guys expect Luna to keep going? Luna Classic to keep going? As I'm glitching here mentally. Just type in yes or no. Yes or no. Do you expect Luna Classic to keep bumping? Yes or no? I just want to see. I just want to see. Just want to 'cause we've had a few rallies here to this level and then sold up below and gained a zero again more than once, with the same type of news, right? Burn, or back down. Burn, or back down, right? So Iron says yes, Donna says yes, Michelle says yes, Menard says yes to $25, Diego. Um, okay. 50-50 virus. Okay, there you go. Jamil says yes. Okay, cool. No, I just want to know. Just want to know. Kind of just want to see what you guys are thinking, right? So let me pull up again. So Luna Classic is bouncing there, right? So we've looked at. Let me go through these time frames again here because I know some of you guys are just joining. So Luna C here is so that's the 1 minute. Don't really care about that for now. I want to take a look at the daily here. So Luna's done really well on the daily, right? So done really well. So we have about another 22 hours left on this new daily candle, right? So if we can find a way to get back up that high at 17, we're ready for 20 and then beyond, right? So we're ready for that. Luna's going for a little bit of a run here, which is exciting. So let's keep going, please and thank you. Anyways, we need to clear 17 here on this next run. We need to clear 17, right? Make a new daily high, and then we go for 20, right? So I don't know. IOLO. Yeah, I think that's what a lot of people do, M-Sense. Right, so that's the daily. We're not really going to get a whole lot of data here for a brand new position. What does the 4 hour look like here? Kind of the same story, right? So I'm going to take a look at the hourly. I think the hourly was where we got the most information from, right? So we have a double top on the hourly, right? We have a double top at 15 at 15.6. So that's of course an issue, right? We talked about how when Luna's dipping, right? When Luna is dipping here, right? What are we looking for? We're looking for that 9 day, not that 9 EMA on the hourly here to hold, and that level again was that 15 level, right? So if we switch over to the 1 minute time frame here for Luna Classic, that's this level right here. So that's why we sold off on Luna and bounced, right? So we bounced up this level because we have the 9 day EMA at that level, right? So we're bouncing off that level, so that's a really good sign there, right? So back to the hourly here. Now we need to start creating some higher highs, some higher highs, please and thank you. Right. So if Luna can find its way back above, I'm gonna delete that there. Like if Luna can find its way back above, which it's bumping there, right? So yeah, there we go. Hourly higher high. I like that. I actually like that for Luna, right? So we pumped, came back down and tested the 9. This looks very similar to something like this, right? So again, pump, right? So pump, come back and test the 9, close above the 9, new highs. Come back and test the 9, new highs, right? So again, rally, come back and test the 9, and we're trying to thrust here. So Luna, again, if we switch over to a smaller time frame, Luna is thrusting, right? So that looks good. Luna looks completely okay for now. It looks okay for now, right? So yeah, so we look fine until we start closing below these moving averages, and then so if I spent about $12 per day on lunch, and I don't buy a lunch for a year, I can buy like 4.3K worth of Luna Classic right now. Mm, a lot more, Professor. If I spend $12 per day on lunch and I don't buy lunch for a year, 4.3? No, you can buy a lot more than that. 4.3K, a lot more, Professor. A lot more. Millions and millions and millions. Billions and billions and billions. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I know you can buy a lot more than $4,000 worth of Luna Classic, right? If you don't have lunch. You bought then, it's up 160% already, Michelle. Very beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Let me take a look at Shiba here. Shiba. I wish I put thousands in Luna instead of 100. Oh, I see what he's saying. Dollars. Oh, dollars. My bad. He means $4,300 worth of Luna. Yeah. Yeah. Professor, yes. Yes, you can. See what like not having lunch does. See what not having lunch does, guys. You can spend a lot of money on like no lunch for a year. Imagine how much monies you could save. Imagine how much monies you could put in Luna. Anyways, yeah, Shiba had a nice little rally last week, and now it's following Bitcoin, right? So not Donna, right? So I know you're looking for Shiba here. Shiba just follows Bitcoin and then goes on these random rallies, and then fails at resistance and then follows again. So intermittent fasting it is virus. Yeah, that makes it really appealing, doesn't it? Like if I don't eat lunch for a year, $12 a day, $4,000. Damn, that's a lot of money. Wow. Wow. You're making this, professor. Wow, interesting. Sheep caca, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Anyways, no, like Shiba looks very similar to Bitcoin, right? So Shiba is more aggressive. Whenever Bitcoin rallies, Shiba will almost always do more, right? But like the overall chart though looks very similar. You can if you don't eat for a year, you can put 20K in Luna Classic. Yeah, no food, guys. Yeah, no food there. No food. No lunch. Wow, interesting. You can only see save it though. Yeah, exactly, Donna. Exactly. You'd have to like on purpose like take that $12 and put it like, okay, Luna accounts every day. Luna account $12 every single day that you don't have lunch, right? So, um, if you just leave it in your regular account, you might not even notice that. Look at Luna go, guys. Look at us go. Look at that. Look at that. Come on now, what, 16? Come on, rally, 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 and what? And thrust. Let's go. Don't forget to smash the like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you can share the link, that's amazing and all that stuff. Yeah, this, whatever is in my stupid eye. It's annoying. Anyways, let me put out a little tweet. La la. Uh, la la. La, la. 1 second. See. La, la. La, la, la. Manly. Let's see. Tweets. There you go. There we go. No, we look good. We look good, right? So that was a beautiful bounce, right? So again, you take a look at the daily chart, right? That was a beautiful bounce of that 90 moving average, 90 EMA for Luna Classic, right? So let's keep going. I almost want to look at the daily again because that's reliable. I almost want to look at the daily there, not the daily, the hourly, right? Is what we looked at earlier, and see where the a potential next obstacle will be at. Yeah, honestly just wanted that thing to, honestly just wanted to make a new hourly high now, which it has. It has here. Now we need to get back above 17, right? Clear that 17 level. BTC is reaching lower highs in the last 20 minutes. Is Bitcoin still above? Man, this isn't it. No. What thrusting? Luis, what thrusting? Michelle, what thrusting? Might need to put up the beats here. Need to put up the beats. So we look good, right? So if we can clear 17 here tonight, I think we might just be ready for 20. Ready for 20. Who's marrying you, Alfred? Who's in the chat? Whose name is this? Tiwa Savage? Who's that? Marry me? Who's that? Whose name is that in the chat? I'm looking for this wife and this husband. I don't feel it. You don't feel it? The show? Come on. We're going to be whales, Robert? Probably not. Probably not. Nah, between Hey yo, Doug. Yo. Good to see you. Yeah, between like 17, 16 and 14, Luna Classic. Yeah. Yeah, I see what you're looking at there, Bonnie. Yeah. Hey yo, Doug. How are you? How's your night? How's your evening? Come on, Luna Classic. Let's go here. Let's go. Go. No, honestly, again, I'm just happy Luna made a new hourly high here on this candle. Because if we fail to do that, we're about to crash. Like if we broke below that 15 level, I'd be careful. I'd be very careful, Luna, there, because we're about to sell off to 14 right away, and then hopefully we can hold our level, right? So, no, we look better now. We look better. So hopefully we can keep going here. Anyways, that's the smaller time frame there. Yeah, for some reason, Bitcoin is eat a damn cookie, boys. Why am I eating a cookie, Michelle? What's wrong? You need some sugar? Why? Why do I need sugar? Oh no, trust me. That's why I don't drink coffee, because like yeah, the energy levels are usually high with or without cookies. I promise. I promise. So I don't eat cookies in the morning, Michelle. When I show up on stream, eat a damn cookie. You need some sugar. Is it too late to buy more Luna Classic, Donna? Is it too late? Um, Is it too late? I just don't like buying the rallies, Donna. I just don't like buying on the way up. That's just me though. You're usually high? No, I'm not. You're usually high? No. Uh, nope, absolutely not, Doug. Yeah, for some reason, like Bitcoin, there, Jason, always finds a way to just annoy you. Whatever. Buy high, sell low. Here you go. Uh, buy high, sell sober. That's what Virus says. Sold my last million Luna Classic last week. I knew better. You sold your last million last week. Oi, go back in this evening and don't have that 1 million. It is what it is. Honestly, cool. It is what it is. What can you do, right? So, the rest is history. You just hope we can keep rallying here, right? So, come on, Luna Classic, give us a rally to 17, right? So we need to break above that hourly high there. Um, buy low, sell nakeds. There you go. Buy low, sell nakeds. Uh, Ola says with the rates, USTC moved the last 24 hours. Community seems to have more interest in Luna USTC and than Luna Classic. What do you think? Yeah, yeah. Hey yo, Marco. Hey yo, come on now, Marco. I really want to get your thoughts. On all the madness, on $20,000, because I don't think. What up, Marco? Good to see you. Right? These are, and if you see these transactions here, guys, these transactions, these are Marco accounts. If these are not Michelle accounts, these are Marco accounts. Marco says, "Oh man, I know." I mean, like, it just seems like 2 months ago we were sitting at $69,000 and talking about, Marco. We talked about what, like end of the year, $80,000, $100,000, right? And here we are at $20,000. Like that's incredible. I mean, like some things have happened though, right? War, from what, yeah, 10K coming soon from what you hear. Okay, there you go. You know, we talked about lower, right? Lower at the very minimum 17.5 to test our previous double bottom there 17.5, and if we fall below that level, then pack your bags, because we're moving to the nearest bridge. But anyways, yeah, we'll see. We shall see. Back to Luna Classic here. I'm sad. Yeah, I know. I know. Honestly, yeah, it's pretty sad. But it creates opportunity for a lot of people, right? So, I mean, 2021 was just ridiculous. Just madness, right? For crypto. We kind of joked about that at the start of the year, how like, okay, cool, 2021 was amazing. Watch 2022 be a disaster. And it kind of is, right? So, yeah, those monies are not sustainable, right? No more free monies from the government, so no more free monies to put into crypto. I think we pumped through 4th of July. Too many convert. Yeah, you think so? Okay. Yeah. Again, usually when we go into a long weekend, there's a rally. There's a rally, a crypto rally, a stock market rally into the long weekend. So we shall see. Is Mr. Thrust virus? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. I like to keep them in my munch. Where can I withdraw my bitcoins? I like how you spell. You know exactly what you're doing, the professor. You know how he puts a space in between like bit and coins. Yeah, that's a little message there for his age. That's what he's trying to do. Where can I withdraw my bitcoins? I like to keep them under the mattress. Unbelievable. California inflation checks. California is getting inflation checks. I don't think that's enough though, Edwin. Honestly, um, yeah, I don't think that's enough. Don't think that's enough to keep us up here. Free money coming in the fall. Yeah, that's true, Roger. For some of you guys, free monies, free monies, free monies. Anyways, again, don't forget to smash the like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, you know what to do. La 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 la. Yeah. And yeah, so see if Luna Classic here can push for that 17 level. If we can, then we're ready for a little rally here, right? We're ready for to break above that hourly high and then send it. No, Luna Classic looks good tonight here. I want to take a look at UST though, because I know Ola was asking as well. Um, in terms of like momentum, right? So I'm going to switch over to the other screen here. Again, so these are just Bitcoin transactions here happening, whale transactions, right? I mean, these are some massive transactions, right? So massive buy, massive sell, blah blah blah. So this is the hourly for Luna Classic. What I'm looking for there is a new hourly high, and then let's bump it. CBDCs, no. Let me take a look at USTC here. USTC. Yeah, for now, Luna Classic, Ola, again, you take a look at the hourly here, compare that to Luna Classic, right? And you can clearly see what's happening, right? So almost like that money's rotating back and forth. They're like, ooh, cool, this has ran. USTC has ran. This hasn't run yet. So, almost like they're going back and forth. But USTC looks fine to me as long as we stay above that 20-day moving average at 7 cents, right? So 7 cents, right, is what we need to hold here for USDC. So it looks fine. It's flagging. That's fine. But it needs to stay above that 20-day moving average, that 20 EMA there. So for USDC here, right? If we break below, we're gonna sell off, right? So that thing ran from below 1 cent to 10 cents. And not a long period of time. So I need some money too. You criminal, easy. You criminal. They'll get taxed later. Yeah. Don't like rubbish like that because I think it just creates a big problem, honestly. Um, by the way, what tool is that indicator that shows it's a buy and bearish? Or so that is it's called the buy. It's called the bull and bear signal. Monar. So yeah, it's part of So yeah, you can buy it if you want to. It's not a free indicator. You can buy it if you want to. So let me know. Let us know. Let us know. Because the peg which caused the algo mints Luna just drew up the supply and up and the price very fast. It couldn't keep up the USD peg. Oh, Donna was asking why we dropped. Oh, okay, Donna, I see your question now. Why can't it shoot up the same? Oh no, yeah, Donna, yeah, no. Professor answers the question here really nicely. So, yeah, no, like Luna was set up in like somewhat of a seesaw. Uh, Luna was set up in a weird way, like a seesaw type of way, right? So where like, yeah, no, Professor answers the question really nicely there. I'm not gonna ruin it. I'm not gonna ruin it. Anyways, let me add that BJ indicator because Michelle's asking for it. I don't know why. Hmm. La la la. Anyways, yeah, a little bit of resistance there according to that BJ indicator. So at 16.4 them. 16.4. I don't know why. There you go. Yeah, that's what it's called. That's what it's called, guys. It's called the BJ indicator. That's what it's called. I don't know what to tell you. Like, if you have TradingView, put in BJ, and it will give you the indicator, like the very first indicator in there. What does it do? It tells you where support is at and where resistance is at, right? So you can clearly see here, like looking at this yellow box, right? Look at that yellow box. It's like, oh, resistance at the yellow box. Yeah, we're selling off, right? So it tells you. Like, be careful. And then the blue box will give you support, right? So support and resistance. Blue box support, yellow box resistance. Uh, Varus, like BJ, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, Michelle. I don't know what to tell you. Shows yeah, that's what it's called. That's the full name of the indicator, right? So yeah, we might have to like add this into like the algo Roberts. Um, Yeah. So no, if you're asking about like the buy and sell signals, which are really good, right? So they're really good for scalping, especially on the 3 minute to five. Or if you're looking for longer term investments, right? So let's say you want to add this indicator into like every single thing you're watching, you can buy it, right? So just let us know. Send us a message in Discord, in the email, right? And you can buy it if you want to, right? So you can have it on all your charts if you want, right? So and it's really helpful, really helpful, right? So let us know. Let us know. Salute, 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 salute. What's up? What's up? Salute. Hey yo. That's what it's called, isn't it? That's what it's called. Yeah, I'm gonna call it BJ. Uh, supermarket, and there's a BJ supermarket in your area. Where do you live? Where do you live? Easy. Where do you live? You live in Toronto or something? Oh, I feel like I need glasses. I have no idea where they are though, because the lights are extremely. For some reason, the lights are just getting to me today. I need some more lights in my eyes. Where are my damn glasses? Question. You from Philly? Oh, okay. From Philly. Philly. Come on, Luna. What did I enter? No, it's an indicator that we look at. Um, Philadelphia. Fresh Prince. Cookies. You can buy cookies at the BJ's wholesale. You can buy anything at the BJ store if you want. Is a mass chain wholesale that's across the US. It is. Oh wow. Crypto Live and Learn. Huh, live and, live and learn. BJ is a mass chain wholesale store across the US. Wow, I had no idea. Interesting. I bet you that store gets a lot of you watch it, you produce very well. If you shop there, make sure you watch your produce very well. I That's funny. Is Bitcoin still above $70,000? $70,000 in your dreams. Anyway, still about $20,000. Yes, it is. Right. Bitcoin is going for a nice little run here. Why? I don't know why. Robert says I'm cracking up over here. Oh no. That's what that's what these night streams are supposed to be, guys. When it's not overly hectic and busy. We just hang out and have fun, honestly, and watch candles, right? And talk about a few things. Just hang out and have some fun, right? It's nighttime. Most of you guys are getting ready for bed anyways, so yeah, we just hang out and chill and watch candles. So down the street from me as well, at the corner lights. Yeah, of course it's around the corner. Of course, virus. Of course, it's around the corner. What else do you? Is there a not safe for work stream talking about Lewis? I don't know. Get your mind out of the gutter, Lewis. That's the problem. That's the problem. What do you think BJ is? BJ is the name of the indicator. It's also the name of a supermarket. You know? Alfred, you're going to bed? Alfred, have a wonderful night, Alfred. Good night, good night. Hello, 60s, ATL. ATL. Let me see if I can put up Spotify here because I'm tired of that music already. Tired of that music. What else can I play here? Oi. Unbelievable. It's very limited. L- What's this? Let me try this. Yeah, that's trash. Nope, don't like that. Mm-mm. Nope, absolutely no thanks. Very limited. Anyways, I guess we can just go back to AMC to partner with BJ. BJ's restaurant, Lewis. Yeah, right. That's what it is. See, we're back on track. What am I listening to? Who's your best client? My best clients. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And hmm, is this deja vu? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Peter, exactly. That's what we've been talking about tonight. What's this madness? Why do we keep going down and then back up and then back down and back up and then back down? What's going on? I do not know. I do not know. Anyways, back to Luna Classic. Luna Classic is having a little bit of a rally today, right? Well, the last 3 days or so. So it's done well. Hi, Peter. Hey, yo. Hi. Maybe Peter's gonna be oh, good luck to send Bitcoin back to the abyss, so we can move on. Peter, Peter, please, thank you. Please, let's get to business. Hi, Peter, Peter, Peter. How's the evening, Peter? Hello, hello, hello. Did we play COD last night or the night before? No, yeah, the night before. Night before. What's the real news on Luna Classic? Ego, what's the real news? What's the real news what's the real news with Luna Classic? Oh, the real news is we're pumping. We were pumping. It's up 170% in the last in the last week, right? So the reason for that is just a lot of hype around coin burning, right? So so just again, it's that simple, right? Coin burns. I want to leave it at that. So anyway, someone just sold 800, $900,000 worth of Bitcoin, so that's probably Peter. What do I think about SHIB price right now, Strixler? I think Shiba will go for like these massive random rallies before doing a show. Wow, violence. No, ego. The reason I ego came with some violence. Some violence. No, we know what we're pumping. Ego, sorry. It's just we've talked about this so much already. Um, man, this is nothing new though, right? This has been like no again. So like we've been talking about this coin burn for the last 2 weeks now already. Right? Again, it's a combination of like burning and a lot of hype, right? So like it really is that simple. And anyways, yeah, someone else sold $500,000 worth. Mono, yeah, something that I'm willing to lose. Something that I don't care about, right? So I know what you mean. You still have my Luna, 87 cents. You do, Professor? Wow. Oh well. Hey yo, Jose, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? La, 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 la. Let's see here. Anyway, so switching back about in the last 7 days, isn't it? Yeah, that's madness. UST is up 845% in the last 7 days. Yeah, it's done really well. Like it's done really really well. So I bet you some of that money is just rotating over to Luna Classic, right? So we'll see. We'll see. And I don't really want to talk about these Binance wallets and whatnot. Buying up USTC to burn it and then like stuff like that. I just want to focus on the technicals, honestly. After dark, need to be careful with my comments. Yeah. If I speak to the wind, Luna will go down. What's the wind? Then I'll buy more. No, please, 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 please don't speak to the winds, please, ego. Leave your witchcraft at home. Don't do it, please and thank you. Let's rally first. Let's rally. Just go up. Please leave your rubbish at home. Don't show up and say, let me speak to the wind so Luna can go down. We don't want voodoo, please. I'm just kidding. Anyways, no, and like Luna looks fine, right? We talked about Luna quite a bit tonight in terms of like what we want to see happen, right? So hold that base at 15 and reclaim 17, and we're ready to clear 20, right? So that's all we're looking for here. So not a whole lot of we have resistance here at 16.5. We need to clear that level and get above 17. So the highs of the day, right? And then rally and then send it, right? So I'm not sure we're gonna get that tonight, but we'll see. Yeah, that was the Monar. That was like the peg token, right? That was their stable coin. Um, so that's where you can see a connection with both. You guys are gonna give me trouble. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. If you haven't already, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you want to become a member, you know what to do. You know what to do. 17 tonight, Wascar 17. Yeah, I want to see 17 tonight. I want to break above those hourly highs there. Another Mooner, C as XCH. XCH. I'm just looking at these bubbles here. I want to see. I'm just looking at these bubbles. I want to see what's doing well here. Better on la 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 la. No 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 no. What's Matic at here? Is Matic at 0 yet? No, not yet. Come on, Matic. Can we go down to like... Just kidding. Just kidding. Daily? Yeah. Uh, 200. What's Rec at? You guys remember when Rec was $1? You guys remember that? Love the bubbles. Make me want to eat Cheerios. Okay. Anyways, you guys remember when this thing was $1? I remember the stream when we streamed with Rec Coin, and this thing rallied from what? From like 40 cents all the way to $1, right? And here it is at 12 cents now. Hashtag take profits. Rec Coin. It's up 300 here. The top 300 coins, top 400. Sometimes you can find some gems here, kinda. Look at this, guys. Saitama's down minus 42%. Yeah, that thing is Let's talk about Thai food. Thai food. Anyways, so I like looking at these bubbles sometimes, just to see what's moving. Michelle's making you hungry. Dieting for 6 months and miss normal food. Why are you dieting? What do you why? So funny story. Like you guys know how like when you so when you have like when you so like there's the whole spill, right? I gotta stop. The whole spill about like not eating food at like midnight at 1 a.m. in the morning. You don't want to eat before you go to bed, right? So like so I'm explaining all this, like one of these nights, right? Like a while ago, like a year ago, 2 years ago, I'm explaining this story to Toba, right? It's so I don't know what we're talking about, but then this comes up, right? I think I say I'm hungry, but I don't want to eat because of I'm explaining this story to Toba. I'm like, okay, cool. Well, you don't want to eat at late at night because of this and this and this and this, right? Because it's not healthy and blah 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 blah. Okay, basically it's not healthy, right? So you want to know what this useless African tells me? Toba tells me, well, imagine Imagine Tova says, imagine you die tonight and you go to heaven, right? So, and and you know, and that's part of the story. So again, I'll come back to this part. He says, imagine if you die tonight and go to heaven and you're getting judged, right? What do you tell God? Um, that's number one. Number two is, imagine if I died tonight. If I died tonight, why the hell would I want to die hungry? Forget about everything else. Why the hell would I want to die hungry? And ever since that, I never go to bed hungry anymore. It does not matter. I will eat until I'm filled before I go to bed. I don't care anymore. Even talking, I don't know, Michelle. I don't know. I don't know. You guys are talking about chicken breast. Maybe you're a breast guy, Lewis. Thighs are cool too, I guess. It's true. I don't want my stomach to rumble when I'm dead. you know? Why die hungry? I'm like, are you kidding me? That doesn't make any sense. But now, before I go to bed, I'm like, okay, cool. Like, if I'm laying in bed and I'm hungry, and I'm asking myself, imagine if I died tonight and I'm hungry. What a sad story that would be. Like, you died hungry? Unbelievable. Like, you have food and you died hungry? Are you kidding me? Anyways, yeah. So again, I don't go to bed hungry anymore. Long story short, I don't go to bed hungry. So I mean, even if that means I eat a bowl of cereal, yeah, no, not going to bed hungry, guys. Absolutely not. One knows anyone? No, the rest all sound and posts are scheduled this weekend. Okay, cool. Let's see. Delete that. Delete. Trouble. Oh yes, let's go, Robert. Absolutely not. When I die, I have a special request. Put some 100-pound weights in the coffin for anyone that will be carrying me. Peter, you want to just cause wahala before you go, don't you? Big Pop Smoke guy, Pop Smoke. What's my favorite meal? Oh, everybody, you guys know my favorite meal already. Let me see. Let's go. Discord. We're talking about food. Yeah, we're talking about food. Food. Someone said on Twitter, can you? So we can. They're not. They're not. Yeah, these criminals. Tacos and tequila. Dog, that's your favorite food? Seriously, food? No. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I'm not a part of that conversation. Let's go easy. Fufu and some soup. Bring it on. Let's go easy. Bring it on. No, you guys are not talking about food. I know. You guys are criminals. Tacos? Tacos. I like tacos. Had some good tacos 2 weeks ago. Really good. Fishy about about what they're talking about. There always is. Always is. La na na. Let's see. I just want to respond to this message here as quickly as possible. Oi. That's what we're talking about. Tacos, right? There we go. We're talking about tacos. Tacos. This is what happens when we're not pumping. So we need Luna Classic to start pumping here. Otherwise, this conversation is about to go to a whole new level of suspect. Suspect. Is Bitcoin still about 20,000? Yeah, it is. That's the only question. Is Bitcoin still about 20? Is it still about 20? Is it still about $20,000? What is it doing above 20? I don't know. But anyways, it's above 20. How funny is this though? Like, look at Luna Classic here. Luna Classic is like the only green big bubble here. In the last 24 hours. Everything else, all of these, so-called, and then here we have a meme coin, right? So faster. Professor, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Uh, na, 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 na. Drop your Discord link so we can answer. Uh, use it. Uh, there we go. Delete that. Delete that. Edit. There you go. Ish. Since a lot of money at the gas station, Peter, you're a criminal. Absolute criminal. I beg. I beg, Michelle. Yeah, man. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. I wish we were just pumping tonight so we can just keep thrusting. But yeah, there's not a whole lot going on here other than But again, like Luna looks really good. Like I like what Luna is doing tonight, right? Especially bouncing on that 15 level. I think that was a really good sign. We just need to get a new hourly high here, and then we're ready to keep thrusting. So you guys, tomorrow pray for a Mullen squeeze. Pray for news, Doug. Pray for news. Pray for some news. Otherwise, that thing has a problem. Anyways, the closer you get to a dollar, though, the closer you get to finding support, Doug. So, um, Luna C on the hourly. Yeah, no, we look good on the hourly there. We look good. We just need to keep rallying there. It's gonna need some news. Yeah. There you go. Working. Working. Mullen was at $1.32 after hours. Really, Doug? Wow. Louis, where you going? Gotta go now. See you later, Blaze. Okay, sounds good, Louis. Have a wonderful night. Have a wonderful night. See you. Maintain eye contact the whole time. Have a wonderful night, Louis. Good night. See you. See you later. See you later. See you on the next stream. Come on, Luna. Give us the thrust. Give us something here. Otherwise, we might have to just. Someone just sold $1.3 million worth of Bitcoin. Whoever that is needs to keep going. See you in the morning. See you tomorrow morning, Louis. Have a good night. Whoever just sold that $1.3 million worth of Bitcoin needs to keep selling more and more and more, because that's not enough. Luna is this for me at this point. They all need to go to jail. Luna Classic is a disappointment for me at this point. They all need to go to jail right away, straight to jail. Yeah, crypto has been like wait. Some of these coins are like the biggest Ponzi schemes ever, and no one's ever gonna no one's going to jail for these things. It's crazy. You think about like some of these projects that make millions of dollars and then get rug pulled. You're like, what's that show again? That show I can try to remember now. Squid Game or whatever that's called. Rug pulled. Pikachu rug pulled. Um, Ducon, Ducon. I mean, like all of these projects, and then there's a story about like how that Ducon dude was selling selling a whole bunch of stuff. Someone just sold $1.8 million worth of Bitcoin. $1.8 million. See, that guy needs to keep sell more. They need to sell more, and good job, guys. Uh huh. Don't worry, they're gonna buy $2 million worth in the next second. But, anyways, story about how he's selling all he sells 1 point something billion dollars before the crash happens. How crazy is that? They're doing a reality show based on Squid Game. They are, Michelle. Oh, cool. Interesting. Why isn't the second season coming out for that show? There's a second season coming out, right? So they're gonna ruining it. They should just leave it alone, let the show become yeah, let those guys do their thing. A reality TV show based on Squid Game. Maybe it's gonna be fun. Maybe it's actually gonna be fun. On your screen, Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Yeah, it's because we're all the way up here now. Right there. Nope, not yet. Just refresh it. Then it doesn't show up. Boy. Anyways, sign ups now. Michelle, you gonna sign up for in history of game shows? Really, Michelle? Oh, I see what you're saying. Are you gonna sign up? Are you gonna sign up, Michelle? Wow, that's cool. Anybody signing up? Someone should go sign up. What's the price, Michelle? Do you know yet? $1 million? $2 million? Are they cure? Are they gonna like cure people? Are they gonna like cure people? Ian, you're gonna sign up? Michelle says hell no. Hell no. Why? You don't want to make all these monies? You're gonna win. I promise. How much are they paying? Easy. How much are they paying? To start televising actual blood sports. I mean, I've seen the news. Yeah. Luna Classic. Yeah, we're just going sideways. We're just going sideways, guys. Sideways. 18 minutes. Is my perfect. $4.56 million. Why? Why? Why is it so much money? I mean, if that thing was why is it so much money, Michelle? Why is it $4 million? I mean, if that thing was $1 million, I mean, people would sign up from all the ends of the earth. Why is it so much money? Why? 556 players competing in a series of games for the chance to win $4.56 million. Oi, as soon as you said that, Michelle, as soon as you said that, the whole chat did this.
You son of a bitch! I'm in.
The whole chat did that. That was the number. That was the number of the main character, Moonstone. Okay, yeah, interesting. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Why is it so much money? They could easily do $1 million. I get that, but like, damn. Damn. Oi, I'm in. Easy says I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. Wow. um, that they will soon launch a real. Okay, cool. You know what? Like Netflix doesn't even have money to compete in the stock market. These guys are crashing to the abyss, and they would know what they're gonna do. They're gonna raise memberships, then so they can pay prizes. No, do better. Just give them $1 million. Give them $1 million, like every other game show. Sign up. No thanks. I no thanks. The stock market is a real life Squid Games. Yeah, yeah. I don't wanna. Peter, are you gonna sign up? Anybody gonna sign? Well, Ease is gonna sign up for sure. Um, so at least we have somebody. Hopefully, at least trying to get in there. We need some better odds. Peter, you need to go sign up. Professor, you need to go sign up. Doug, you need to go sign up. Iron is in already. Uh, we need some more numbers in there. The show is popular because they're risking their lives for payout. The reality show will basically be adults about a double dare. um, Peter says, "Yeah, I have nothing to lose." They have a lot to lose, Peter. Send in your audition video. We will root for Hundreds to win Squid Game. Let's go, Moonstone. Yeah. Someone just sold a whole bunch of Bitcoin. $1.3 million, $1 million, and blah blah blah. And Bitcoin is I don't know what it's doing. Anyways, Luna Classic not really doing anything in there. Nothing over here either. USTC. What are we doing here? We are still going sideways here, holding 7 though, which is a good sign, right? Holding that 7 level, right? Flag above the 20, and it looks completely okay here. So yeah, that looks good. Looks really good, right? And then of course BTC here, Bitcoin. What are we hoping for? We're hoping this thing would go to the abyss already, but it's taking its time. I mean, that thing is taking its time walking down the road. This thing thinks of that, anyways, we have about 21 hours left here on this candle now, though. Is that the? Wait, what? Oh. Do we only have an hour left on that candle to close below $20,000? Okay, cool. Actually, I might have messed something up here. Okay, that's the 4 hour. That's why. Yeah, if we can get one of these candles to close below $20,000 here, yeah, 21 hours, Michelle. 21 hours on the daily, an hour left on the 4 hour, right? So that's why I'm getting confused. But anyways, if we can get one of these candles to close below the $20,000 level, Michelle, it's over, right? Or in the next 21 hours, if we close below $20,000, it's over, right? So if we can rally and break about 21.6, we're ready to thrust, right? So simple. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Again, you guys, we talked about like what we're hoping for here, right? Double top and sell up to 17.5. So it's taking its time to get there. It's going around the corner. We'll see what happens. Anyways, back to Luna Classic here. Is there a 100 zip up hoodie yet? Zip up hoodie, Professor? I don't think so. Zip up hoodie. I don't think so. Don't think so. Yeah, it's been a while since I looked at the merch store. Yeah, Voodoo doesn't work for you. It's working, Michelle. It's working. I mean, what do you mean? It's working already. It's going down. It's just taking its time, Michelle. Bitcoin is going down. It's going down. Well, it's it's taking the scenic route, but it's going down. Slowly, going down. We're almost halfway there. You're selling hoodies? Nice. We're halfway there. So yeah, is that Luna? Yeah, that's Luna. You're selling hoodies. What hoodies are you selling? Rich hoodies? What's up, hoodies? Yeah, let's see where we are in the next 10 minutes, guys. Then in the next 10 minutes, right? And then we can take a break and hop off and go hang out in Discord. So yeah, let me know if you have questions and whatnot. And yeah, and then we can just hang out in Discord or whatnot. All right. Unless Luna starts rallying here. As soon as I say that, Luna is like, "Oh my goodness, let's rally." Yeah, Luna, you better get to rallying here. 10 minutes. If they are ever in the merch shop, you're gonna buy several. Zip up of these. Okay. Yeah. See, I don't know if that's even a possibility, Professor. I'll see. This weekend, I'll see. This weekend? Where you going, Michelle? There's literally 10 minutes left. Amazing drawings on the chart. Mindy would be proud. No, Mindy would be disappointed. Mindy would be very disappointed. She'd be like, so can you delete those things? Because they're making that's very messy. But anyways, um, 10 minutes, Michelle. 10 minutes. Grab a glass of wine, and we can hang out for 10 more minutes, and then you can go to uh you can say good nights. It says, all right, good night, you all. What's you all? Please. It's rubbish. Anyways, yeah, let's see if let's see if we can go for a little rally here before we hop off, guys, for Luna Classic. Come on, let's go. No, again, like overall though, Luna Classic, if you have any questions, it looks fine. As long as we stay above 15 for now. Gets me in trouble? Okay, sounds good. No wine. Gets me in trouble. Yeah, no, again, looking at the daily chart here for Luna Classic, it looks fine. USTC looks fine as well. Technical rally to a dollar. Yeah, just give us a little rally here before we leave. Give us a rally. Right, Jason? Come on, Iron. Give us a rally. Can someone buy the dip? No, it's going the opposite way instead. Opposite way. What's my rally to no wine? It gets me in trouble. Michelle, find something else then. Drink some you know how you make fun of smoothies? Start drinking some smoothies. Drink some smoothies. That won't get you in trouble. La, la, la. Let's go. What are your thoughts on Zella, Paul? Paul says, "What are my thoughts on Zella?" My thoughts on Zella on Twitter. Paul would like to know. Tequila smoothie, yeah. 70% smoothie, 30% tequila. There you go, Professor. That's a solution. July the 6th, you break free. July the 6th. Yeah, you do, Michelle. Okay, July 6th. Okay. July 6th. I don't see a 600% gain on Rap Luna. Why would you want to see 600% gain on that? I mean, Luna Classic isn't even up 600%, so why would you want to see that much of a gain on the other one? La, 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 la. I honestly don't know. I haven't looked. I haven't looked. You buy the dip and it keeps on dipping easy. Yeah. For crypto? Yeah, no, crypto again, like dollar cost averaging, scaling in is what you're supposed to do anyways. anyways, slowly. Yeah. Check out my new coin. Your new coin. Mm. uh, your new coin. Like it's your coin. Like you made the coin. Hmm. Oh, that's just a new project you found. check out my new coin. I want to take a look at Zella here for whoever that person is. Zella, Zella, Zella. No, you found it? Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Zella. Pikachu Inu. On Kraken tennis hill. Okay, thank you. Yeah, Pikachu Inu. Yeah, no, Pikachu was a disaster. A disaster. Yeah, I mean another rock ball, right? You live and you learn. I never played with it, thankfully, but yeah, I know some of you guys did. La, new. Probably. New. Soon. Reply. Listing now. No. Wait. My. There you go. Hi, Bedri. Are we shorting Luna Classic yet? Are we shorting yet? Luna Classic? Mm, I mean, that. You son of a BM professor. Are you shorting Luna Classic? If we break below, like if we break below 15 again there, um, Jason, yeah, you might be able to consider that. Might, if we break below 15, can I go to bed now? Okay, fine, Michelle. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. Have a wonderful night, Michelle. I'm just joking. Might make a coin tomorrow. Seems like that's the way to go. You make a coin and then you just take everyone's money. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. That was the way to go, though. Like a few months back, that was the way to go, Professor. Oi. That's pretty funny. I'm telling you, the professor's a pretty funny guy. But anyways, zoom out, check the 15 while following suit. Yeah, right. No, iron like iron. We look fine. Right. Bitcoin looks not Bitcoin. Luna looks fine. So zoom out, check the 15. We are following suit. Yeah, right. So let me take a look at the 15 actually here for Luna Classic. Take a look at that 15. Yeah. No, that thing is as much as it's struggling at the top there, it still looks it's still following a trend to the upside, right? So it's still holding up really nicely. It doubles up at 16.5 there, which is an issue, but like yeah, I must be waiting for that thing to break above 15 before I say yeah, okay, cool, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. Like 14, like 14.97 is that where that moving average is sitting at, the 50-day moving average there, EMA, right? So if we break below that level, yeah, I think we have problems. Problems. Good night. Just joking. So shady. Why do people say that? So shady. With like my comments, like with replies, it's because they are. I like to throw a little bit of shade. You have to find a way to say things without saying them. So I don't. What's the dates? What do you mean? What's the date for today? The 29th. So shady. Anyways, again, don't forget to smash a like before you go, Michelle. Hit that subscribe and just kidding. Anyways, yeah, guys, smash a like, hit that subscribe. I'll call it a Criminu coin, Criminu, and it's proof of theft protocol, and it's a proof of theft protocol. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Might make a coin tomorrow and see. Seems like that's the way to go. You make a coin and then just take everyone's money. Unbelievable. Ay, ay, ay. Crime Inu. That's actually not a bad name. That's actually not a bad name, guys. We're fighting crime. We're fighting against rug pulls. We're fighting against. Yep. You could really come up with a really nice white paper for that, professor. I would buy that. Crime Inu. Um, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Na, 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 na. Search. There you go. Old school name. Goku? Dragon? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Don't they Bill Cosby Inu? Yeah, they do. They did virus a while ago, right? Bill Cosby Inu, Will Smith Inu, of course there's Elon, right? What else is there? I'm sure that there are multiple Biden coins already. Um, there's a whole bunch of rubbish. Whole bunch of rubbish. Anyways, guys, you guys ready to call it a night? Ready? Did you have time to check edX to see if it's a scanner? Bedri? Oh, I have no idea. I don't remember. I don't remember what that is. I'm sorry, I don't remember. Webcam Zenu Iron goes way down to zero. Rock pull, instant rock pull. I am Inu. I am Inu. I am Inu. I am Inu. Yeah, no, Bitcoin is still holding $20,000, guys. If you guys have any last questions, let me know. We're holding $20,000 for Bitcoin there, which is um I'm ready to go to sleep and I wake up to my Mullen accounts, Marlo. Okay, so I hope so. I hope so, Marlo. I hope so. No, again, so Bitcoin is holding above $20,000. We'll see if that thing holds for the whole night. I don't know. I think Bitcoin is going to play with that $20,000 till we get to tomorrow. Just so it figures out what the market will do, right? So because that's what Bitcoin does now. It waits for the market to open because it doesn't know what to do. Anyways, yeah, Luna Classic is dipping a bit, right? Dipping. Watch for that 15 level. Watch for that 15 for Luna Classic there. See if we can see above that. If we can clear 17 here, right, then we're ready to pump to 20. So watch 15 for potential sell-off signal. And then, and I know that level is like 14.9 something, but I'm just going to call it 15. And then once we break above 17, then we're ready for a rally, right? So a few levels to keep in mind as you watch. Easy. Have a wonderful night. My other idea, Professor says my other idea is to make a mobile game that's a stock market simulator. You spend real money to buy gems that you use to buy fake stocks that only go down. Unbelievable. Isn't that how isn't that isn't that how isn't that what we're dealing with now here? Isn't that what we're dealing with? No. Your mullen is at triple 36. That's where you're at. Okay. You have a lot of room to the upside to go. Then you have a lot of room. Well, you hope this thing keeps rallying, right? So yeah, you hope we keep rallying here so you can make some monies, right? Alrighty, guys. Yeah, we're gonna leave it here for now. See you guys in Discord. So if you're not a member yet, you should come join us in Discord. Smash the like, hit that subscribe and whatnot. And yeah, yeah, yeah. And LUNC still looks fine on the 30 minute. Yeah, it does. Right. So if I pull up like the if I pull up like the 30, that's the 45, the 30 minute here. Yeah, I'm like, we're still holding above, right? Like, as long as we keep staying above that 15, we're still fine for me, right? We have a little bit of support here at 14, 14, like, yeah, like it's 14, like, yeah, 15, right? So, as long as we stay above 15 for me on any time frame, yeah, even the hourly here, yeah, we look fine. I mean, like, look at that, right? So, when you look at this hourly, do you see warning signs? And on the hour, yeah, that's what Celsius was, James. Yep. Right. So we look fine. Completely okay. Right. We're just riding the trend higher here on the bigger time frame. So that looks fine. To the Phobos, it's called the bull and the bear signal here. Right. Bull and bear. It's a paid indicator now. So yeah, if you want to buy that indicator, just send an email to the email at the top of your screen here, Hot Trades X, and yeah, you can buy that. You can buy it. You can buy it, and then go from there. Celsius. Yeah, no, again, like Luna looks fine if we can stay above 15. If we break below 15, then that's an issue. We might have some problems, right? We might have some problems because then we could easily sell off from 15 to test the 20, which is also going to be another level of support at 14.5 here, right? So it doesn't seem like a big range, but it is, right? So it makes a difference. It makes a difference. Funny videos? I have no idea. Sir, market open? Yes. yes. I have no idea what you're saying. I'm sorry. I don't know. I have no idea. Funny videos? Not sure. But you should definitely smash the like though. No. Talking about the market and open. No. You're probably talking about like because most of you, yeah, you're probably asking about there you go. So we'll see what happens here in the next few hours, guys. I'm sure I'm gonna be watching this thing anyways as I do other stuff tonight. So that's Luna Classic. We're getting a little bit of a dip now. So if anything happens, I'll post in Discord. I'm sure you guys are all watching as well. And if Bitcoin breaks below $20,000, I'm sure we'll see it in Discord. According to Google Translate, funny video says, "Sir, today there's a breath of open. There's a breath of opening after eating the market." Aye. There's a breath of opening after eating the market. Is dogelon Mars legit, Gianna? Is anything legit? It's just another one of those projects, honestly, that people play with for hype, right? So other than that, you have 1 billion coins. Yeah, like just play the momentum. You can make monies, right? Whether it's real or not. There are a lot of projects out here that are not real that can still give you monies, right? So just a bunch of Luna boys trying to make it, or just island boys trying to make it. Jaboy, huh, trying to make it. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna leave it here for the night, though, guys. Thank you very much for your support, as always. Again, smash a like, hit that subscribe, become a member, and join us in Discord if you're not already. Legit billionaire, yeah, James. And yeah, have a good night, guys. So, Virus, thank you very much. Have a good night. Big swings, it can be fun to swing trade. Yeah, exactly. So that's what it is. That's honestly what it is, right? Dogelon Mars right, makes big swings. Yeah, it's a nice, like, fun, like, play, it's fun. In terms of fundamentals, that's a different story. Right. So good night, Professor. Thank you very much. James, have a good night. Gianna, have a good night. Jaboy, have a wonderful night. Phobos, have a good night. Michelle is gone to bed already. Peter, have a wonderful night. Marlo, gone to bed already. Bedri, have a good night. Imad, have a good night. Ian, come on now. Jason, have a wonderful night. Roberts, have a wonderful night. We'll see you in Discord. Alrighty, guys. Alrighty. Have a wonderful night. Buenos dias. Buenos noches. Buenos noches, Chavo. Noches. Legend has it. He's still waving. Still waving. Anyways, yeah, we're struggling here with Luna. Come on, Luna. Erin, thank you very much. Erin is waiting. Have a wonderful night, Erin. Oh yeah, yeah. Have a good night, guys. Bye all. Bye.